Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make an amazing salad with chicken breast, and for that we need, of course, chicken breast, some cabbage, corn, pepper. For the beginning, all we have to do is start with grating the cabbage. Later we are going to add to this the corns, which are of course boiled beforehand and ready to be used. Cut down the pepper into some long parts. Let me remind you that the chicken breast now is being boiled, so make sure that whenever you are doing all of this, the chicken breast is in the water being boiled and cooked. And whenever it is ready, just take it out and divide it into several pieces, very small pieces, like as with the help of the forks, like as you see in the video. Whenever you are done with all of the parts, you can add it to the salad as well. And you are nearly ready. All you have to do now is adding the sour cream to the salad. The more you add it, the better it will taste actually. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of red pepper, some gemelli suneli black pepper would also work good for here, and start mixing it. Mix it properly until all of the ingredients are totally, soaked in the sour cream and they're all mixed properly together. And whenever done, you will be ready to put it into the plate and serve it. We hope you will like this recipe and will share it with your friends. Good appetite!